Hi there. Today, let's explore the Moha Galien Garlic Press, a sleek tool designed for effortless garlic crushing. Made from durable stainless steel, it features an anti-stick coating to keep garlic from sticking inside. The attached cleaning stopper makes removing garlic residue quick and simple, saving you time in the kitchen. Measuring 8.27 by 2.2 by 1.65 inches, this press fits comfortably in your hand for easy use. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after cooking. Swissdesign combines quality craftsmanship with practical functionality for all your garlic needs. Upgrade your culinary tools with this efficient and stylish garlic press. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.